The dead man with an arm wringer into the... Oh, power.
DDT.
Momentum on the side of the dead man. Rollins has to find a way to right the ship here.
Taunting their opponent like they're nothing.
Chops. Oh, just deadlifting their opponent. Oh, tossed aside. Oh, that hurt right in the kidney.
Golly. A knee of the Revolution style by Rollins.
Kicks to the face. Capped off with a big one. Oh, catches a kick to the face. Revolution knee.
Setting the sights on the leg with that.
Really zeroing in on his leg now, looking to damage the base.
Boom! Knee on the money. The dead man facing some danger. Rollins is set to slay. Rollins looking for it. Stop! Hit it again, and that's gotta be it. Shoulders down. He manages to kick out. What strength! The dead man still very much alive, despite taking what I can only describe as a hellacious maneuver. Rollins is starting to lose his temper. He needs to put that aside and refocus.
I can't believe this atmosphere.
Everyone wants...
Undertaker is pinned. This might be over. Got him. Through the suffering, still gets the win.
Here is your winner, Seth Rollins.
Seth Rollins with quite the win here tonight.
I can't tell from here how bad that injury is. Let's just hope it doesn't shelve them for too long.
A big win coming at a bigger cost.